Hi guys, in this video you're going to learn how to do the screen recording on your iPhone. To access the screen recording feature, you simply slide the top right corner of your screen, so you slide downward. Then you're going to find the button to begin your screen recording. So this is it. And when you're done recording, you come back to this point and click on that particular position again to stop the recording. And also take note, to turn on or turn off the mic, you simply hold the button. Then you're going to see where to turn on or turn off the mic. All right. And you could also stop the recording from here. So I'm going to click on the turn off mic. Now I'm going to turn it on again. See you in our next video. Bye for now.